everybody. Here I am with the Singer 500J. The goal is to remove the hand wheel, the motor. The hand wheel and motor have already been removed, and the hand wheel has been cleaned. The motor hasn't been taken apart. But anyway, the motor's fine. It's going to come out, and the hand wheel is going to come off, and then I am going to remove the stitch length regulator lever. I'm going to remove that device, and so there's still quite a bit to come off before I can actually dip the machine in the bath. What has been accomplished is that all the wiring is removed. So once the motor comes out, and it's just, undo one screw. So that's where I'm going to get today. So without further ado, let's have some fun. Let's remove the hand wheel. PA 10-8. All the motor and all the wiring is removed. The hand wheel, it is removed. Next, I will remove the stitch length regulating lever. Those are both loose now. That screw is undone. And there's a washer. Fair enough. I have the screw. I'll put that in there. Aha! There it is. There's the washer. That's a reverse threaded screw? It is. It's a reverse threaded screw. That was the problem there. See that? So now I'm going to take that baggie, that sandwich bag again, and I've got the screw, the washer, and that, whatever you call it, that knob, furled knob or furled nut, and they're in a bag. It's locked up, and we're going to put it in that magnetic box. Well, looky there. That is coming out now as well. So that's pretty good. Okay, now I'm ready to do the lost clip. I made a clip already of this and I lost it, and I was doing some stuff on my just posted video and it's like, where is that clip? So anyway, here's the clip. Now I've already taken the screws out. So where we last left off is that those two little screws that are down in there, oh, you can't see it. But anyway, what's going to happen is I'm going to take this off. The screws are gone. Yes, they are. So I'm going to take it off. And you have to wiggle it gently, but it will come out there. But it may not come out on the first try. So that is off. Now, we're going to put that down, and we're going to go to the hand wheel end and do what we need to do to release it from that other side. Okay, so that's the screw. And on the screw is a spring and a washer with a split in it. So here's the screw coming, good. I think I might have enough of it released to take it out now. So let me, there we go. That's what we have. There's the spring, and there's that washer with the split in it. So that's how that was positioned on there. Now, we'll be going into here from the front, from the other side. So let's do that. All right, we're back in position, and now this is loose, so it will just slide right off the slide. Now the slide in there is on a post, and they're just on there loose. I mean, they're not loose, hanging loose. There is a little bit of tension in there. It is a little bit snug, but easy to remove and replace. But there's no threads, no screws or nuts or anything like that in there on the slide. The slide is a blank hole, and the post is a blank post with no threads. So I'll pull this out. I'm trying to see if I can get this. No, I couldn't get the slide will not fit on here as you're taking this off. You won't get the whole thing out. So you have to take this out first, and that's where the slide slides in there. This screw tightens the handle on there, and there's a flat spot where that screw tightens on that stud. The stitch lever regulating, the stitch length regulating lever, that's what that is. So that's how that goes. But you can go in there and, let me show you. I'm in position. You look there, there is the slide, and on the left side of the slide you see a pin. And that's the pin that the slide hangs on. When I took out the stitch length lever itself, I was able to pull the slide over that much, but it wouldn't fit with the lever still on the slide. So let me get that slide. And there it is there. So that's how you take out the stitch length regulating lever device. And this is the end of the lost clip. So I'm certain that nobody will be offended by my error. Let me assure you that it's not the first error I've made, and it's not the last. Come on out here and make some videos, you'll see. Listen, I really appreciate the support. And since we're talking about support, this is a great time to mention subscribers. I know, how ironic is that, right? But I figured, what the hell? In for a penny, in for a pound. You know what, I love you guys and gals. You gals and guys. And so here it is. And hopefully you'll see some humor and some fun and knowledge in here. Cheers.